Away from gym. The air is fresh. No onlookers. Change of scenery. Do yourself a favor before you drive to gym. Try train in nature's environment.
Oh, I forgot my towel. I'm gonna sweat all over the place. Wait a minute. I'm not in the gym. I don't need a towel. Oh, I better fill up the car with gas. Oof.
That's why you take a walk in nature.
Wait a minute. I didn't drive here. I don't need gas. Sure, I wonder when the crowds are gonna kick in. There are no crowds. I'm in nature. Hello. Step back and give this gym an applause, please.